Hi everybody, it's Chris from Chris's Garden and Allotment Journey. I have been on for a while, but I thought I'd better give you all a bit of a catch up on what I've been doing. It's a lovely day today. Maybe now there's some hot weather's getting here, I can get some more done. Done quite a bit today, but maybe we get some more. Mind if you like these videos, I don't mind if you give us a thumbs up there please, and if you want to stay in touch, follow on for the next one, because I'll be doing them more regularly now. I'm going to try and get them done once a week. Subscribe, it costs nothing, so why not? And it'll help me out to boost the channel, maybe just get out to more people. Anyway, this is the allotment at the moment. I'm sitting here in the sunshine, enjoying it. I've just had a quick walk around and showed you what's been going on. But I think I'm going to call it a day now, because I've got to go and see the missus for a bit. But I'll be back up again, possibly tomorrow, and definitely over the weekend if the weather stays like this. Glorious sunshine. And anyway, I'll catch you in a bit. I'll just give you a quick tour around to see what the plot's looking like. There's my path in. Still need to do the bloody fence, but never mind. I'll get there when I find it. All of this is like jungle. Obviously I've got beds 1 and 2 here in front of me, which first one is in. Bed number 3, which was a change of plan. In fact, I'm thinking of having a rethink of everything on this plot, replanning it. I've got that to dig over and possibly get 2 more beds in, or potatoes. I don't know whether to do a couple of beds in or just get some potatoes in there just to clear the weeds a bit, because as you can see they're coming on quite a lot. Nice colours somewhere. Wall-to-wall buttercups still. Thistle there. That's heading down towards me original plastic bit, and over there we're beginning to start to see the recovery of the compost bin and water, but I'm going to have to get some water down here, because if it's going to start getting dry, this will all be chopped down today with the beast. I'll have to give you some showcase of the beast. I'll get that sorted and then put it on here, because it wipes all this out, and it's a battery one, believe it or not. Cheap enough, but it's great. It's got all the attachments that goes with it, but I'm just using the strimmer bits at the moment. But I've got to get all of this cleared up, maybe clear that lot back and get rid of this little island bit here in the middle. Once I get rid of this bit, I'll have a much bigger open space here. When I clear that lot, I'll have more access and I'll be able to get a bit more done. Anyway, that's for now.